Hi there. Today I want to discuss with you the sign-up process. How can you, the provider, become a VIOS provider? The steps are very simple. First of all, we should divide into two groups. One is for the actual provider network, and two, for our banking system, or the financial pathway with our partner Stripe. So let's begin with number one. How do you actually apply to be a VIOS provider? To be a VIOS provider is quite simple, but unfortunately the steps are quite long, and rightfully so, because we have to confirm you have the right skills, capacity, credentials, and to quite simply say whether you are the right person for the job to provide consultation, counseling, and remote second opinions. How do you sign up? Once the app is ready, all you have to do is download into your Android phone. But before that, you should make sure you have the right documents, degrees, and other documentation to prove your achievements and your skills, such as your medical license, your degrees that show that you have completed postgraduate training, or any type of high value, high-end certification. All you have to do is take a picture of it on your phone, save it in the gallery, and upload it when requested. The app upload is very simple. All you have to do is fill in the blanks, your name, mobile number, email address, and other details. And whenever requested, just simply upload the photo into the app platform. It'll be synced into the dashboard where I and other people in our group will confirm your credentials and of course activate it. Second part, the payment gateway. As I've mentioned before, our payment partner, Stripe, will handle all the fees processing, the documentation, the disbursements, reimbursements, and of course, payout to your bank account of your choice. So, how do you make a Stripe account? I've made a video in the past few weeks which highlighted that, so I'll just briefly summarize. All you have to do is go to stripe.com or click the link below, or you make a Stripe account. Now, Stripe will ask various sensitive information which we have no control over, because they are our partner. They will confirm your identity, your bank account details, and other financial details, of course. And when the time is right, you may share your information, which will be linked to your email address, to us. And from our dashboard, we will pay out to your Stripe account, and you can send to your bank account whenever you wish. So let me conclude again. How do you sign up to the process? Make sure you have all your documents scanned and uploaded into your Android phone. Download the VIOS Doctor app or the VIOS Provider app when ready. Upload the documents, submit, open a Stripe account, and that's it. And hopefully I will try to verify your accounts within 72 hours. And as soon as that's ready, all you have to do is sign in, slide to log in, and that's it. Hopefully you can bring some great value to the global patient community. So that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next episode.